Oh, hi, hello, and welcome to another blind bag unboxing video. I mean, homemade blind bag unboxing video. Today we are unboxing Tae Lola characters collectibles. You can get common, uncommon, or rare. Oh yeah, let's find out. Let's start to open. Oh, this is my mistake. I just put it. Put, let me do it. Let's rip it open. I got rare. Wow, amazing. And I got this Tae Lola robot. See you again. See you in another blind bag video.